It's another beautiful day and it's time to think about dinner. So today I'm going to smoke my very first pork tenderloin. So let's get our Traeger plugged in, get our pellets going, and the smoke cycle started. The first thing I'm going to do is rub my pork tenderloin with a really nice seasoning and rub. This one has a bit of a coffee flavor in it, some garlic, a little bit of salt and seasoning, and it's going to work great for pork. The other thing I'm going to do is wrap it with bacon, because what makes anything better? Bacon. My tenderloin is about a pound and a half, just a little bit over. So I am setting the smoker to 180 degrees and I'm gonna place it on there for 2 hours and 15 minutes. After just over 2 hours, it is looking really great. But what I'm gonna do is turn up the heat to 225 degrees and I'm gonna add a little bit of a maple barbecue sauce on top and finish cooking it for another 15 minutes. The results are amazing. The tenderloin is juicy, it's perfectly cooked. We checked that internal temperature to make sure we had it at about 145 degrees, and you've got that beautiful smoke maple flavor with a little bit of that spice and coffee rub that you can sort of taste. It's very mild but really nice. As someone who is new to smoking and new to trying these kind of recipes, this one seemed flawless. I mean, it's tenderloin. How could it not turn out tender? Can you screw up tenderloin? This is one of my favorite cooks so far on the Traeger. I hope you give it a try if you haven't yet. I'm gonna be redoing that recipe for sure over the summer because it was wonderful. Thank you for joining me on my Traeger and smoking journey. Stay tuned to the Silly Kitchen for more recipes and more smoking. Till next time.